Thank you all so very much for stopping by. So I wanted to share with y'all an unboxing together. Let me just give you a little back history, just in case you're new to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and we hope that you subscribe to our channel where we give you garden tips and tricks, and we also do recipes and product reviews. So let me tell you about the flower pillows, because that is what this is called, and they're made by proven winners. But I want to give you a background of why I order these every single year. So for me, the flower pillows are a great way to add color in the garden, and most of the times they are a combination of 2 to 3 plants. They do have like a line with just strawberries that put out the most beautiful blooms, but it's a way that you can create color in your garden without having to buy a whole bunch of different plants. Now, we still take some plants and we do like a container, or we put them together, but I have been ordering these for years because each year I like to try and get a new one with beautiful color. I'm always pleased with these. They last throughout the whole summer, and we use the slow release fertilizer by proven winners, and we also use the liquid fertilizers to keep the blooms going. The only problem that we have here is we have to deal with the budworm. So as soon as I plant them, probably like a week or two later, I will start like just a preventative treatment using BT with budworms, because we do have that problem here. But if you just have a couple of containers that you want to fill throughout the season and just add beauty, I would highly recommend these. Make sure you go online and just look them up. We're not sponsored or anything. I've just always been really pleased with their products. We actually have a lot of proven winner plants in our yards, both perennials, and we always do like different annuals because they also offer them at our local garden center. So let me open the box up. Y'all know we always like to do this together, and so I haven't opened it up, but I do like this saying, life's a garden. So let's go ahead, let's dig in, and let me show you how they look, and I'll just show you how we plant them every year. So I will try to link the video from last year, because although they're a combination of 2 to 3 different plants that are in one little flower pillow, a lot of times I like to add what's called a thriller, and that's like some type of grass or some type of spike, and put them together like that just for some excitement, something different. But this year I'm not going to do that, because the pots that I normally use, I've actually filled them up with something else. So we have 2 pots that we are going to fill them with, and it's best to use like 12 to 14 inch pots, and fill them up and just really watch them grow. You will be amazed at how they just add so much beauty to the garden. Okay, so I tried to tilt the box so that you can see. Packaging is always great. Never have a problem with packaging, although some of the carriers don't look at the side that says this side up, but we won't get into that. So they always send you like some type of gorgeous book that goes with it. This is Garden Simplified, and it just kind of give you different ideas and different flowers that they sell throughout their line. So I always, at night, just kind of look at that and just get ideas for the garden. So let me pull them out, and then I will show you exactly how they look. Now, like I said in all my videos where we have planted this, don't let the size fool you, okay? Don't let it fool you, because they will grow and grow and grow. So I just wanted to show y'all as I'm taking them out how they look. Again, this is no fault to proven winners. When I got the box, where it said this side up, it was turned upside down. So the soil, that's why it looks like this, is because the soil was the box was upside down basically. Okay, so this is how they look when you come when they come out. And it just really to me looks like a tea bag. I know they're called flower pillows, but it's just like flowers that are inside like a little tea bag here. And what you do is all you do is plant this tea bag, and I'll show you in just a second when we get ready to plant them in the container. But you have to, take this off, take it out of the plastic pouch, and you just put the entire flower pillow in the center, and just get ready to watch a beautiful show of nothing but color. So again, each year we try to get a new flower pillow, and what I will tell you is sign up for their email list, because they let you know when it's ready for pre-order. Because what I will tell you, and I made this mistake last year, is I waited like a couple of weeks instead of going ahead and ordered what I really wanted, and so they sell out quick as well. So they'll start off with a whole lot, and then it'll start dwindling down, and you'll just be left with what's available. So this year I did not do that, but it was just so hard to choose because I tend to go towards the same colors, which I still did. And I think a couple of years I got like the same flower pillows, but the purpose of me getting them is to like try something new and see how it works. So this year we have the flower pillow fruit salad. So I'm going to get a little bit up close. Y'all know I gotta have some purple in there, but let's go over the three types of plants that they have in this flower pillow. So you have the Super Bells Grape Punch, Super Bells Lemon Slices, and Super Bina Ice Cherry. So on the website, it was just so pretty, and it looks so full, because a lot of times I always get some type of super tunia, but this time I went a little bit different, and so we got some super bina in here. So we'll see how that looks, and it's red. So let me go ahead. We just we put these in container pots. So let me go ahead and get the potting soil out. They do have the slow release fertilizer that I always add to it, and I think I saw it on the back of one of their, yes, let me just show y'all the book instead of me like trying to pull it out. But they have a line of different fertilizers, and they also have like the drip irrigation potting soil, but we always get the let me show y'all. Let me get close. We always get this slow release fertilizer that is right here. We go ahead and add this to our potting soil, and then every like 2 to 3 weeks we'll add the slow release the liquid fertilizer. Now it says that to feed every third feeding, but I probably do it maybe like every other week. That's just me personally, because I gotta buy it. And then about midsummer, I do go in and trim it up and give it a haircut so that it doesn't get leggy, and so that it can continue to like produce throughout the growing season. So we got 2 of those. I have no idea where I will put them in the garden. I got a feeling that they're going to end up going on the patio, probably in one of the one each by the raised beds. But let me get all my supplies together and get it planted, and then I'll show you exactly how they look. So we have our 2 pots that we're using. I have some fresh potting soil in here. I put some compost, but I just wanted to show you again real quick. So for all of our annuals and what we don't put into our organic vegetable garden, I use the slow release plant food. So I'm just going to sprinkle this in both containers. Now I also wanted to show you this one as well. This is the liquid fertilizer that I go in about every other week. It does say every 3 feedings, but I'm trying to conserve here. So I will go in and do the liquid fertilizer, and you can definitely tell the difference. I will say that. And probably about June or July, I'll just cut it back a little bit just so that they won't get really leggy. So I'll do like a little trim. So let me go ahead and just show you basically what I do is, since they're like little flower pillows, that's what they are, you just only have to make an indentation in the middle wherever you're going to put it, and you're literally going to place them in there and cover them up. So let me cut the zip ties off, and then I'll show you exactly what we're going to do. Okay, so this is how they look right here. And over time, this little kind of like tea bag or filter that they have it in, it will, you know, just kind of disintegrate in the soil. So like I said, I am just going to make a little indentation here, deep enough to just sit this right in here and then cover up the soil. So since I can't do it with one hand, let me go ahead and get it all set up, water it back in, and then I will show you. But the blooms are starting to look pretty. I did let it sit out one day, so I definitely have to get it in this pot so it can start growing. But I'm just going to keep you updated, because I'm telling you, once this gets started, they take off. I look forward to being able to try a new flower pillow every year. I have nothing but positive results. Sure, I still buy plants, but I just think this is a great option. Like if you want to add pops of color and different plants in one container, like this is an all-in-one. And again, this is the fruit punch. Okay, so I have watered everything in, and I am trying a new brand of the straw mulch. So I went ahead and put the mulch on here. I am not sure where I'm going to put these two pots at yet. I have to still get some of the plants that are up here on the patio moved before I can see where I can like plug them in. So right now they're just going to have to be right here, but the straw is to help hold in the moisture and also keep, you know, weed pressure down as well, because when you container garden, you have to water a little bit more often. So I hope this was helpful to you. I will make sure that I bring you updates as we go on throughout the growing season. So I want y'all to kind of snapshot, or you know, take a mental picture in your note of what they started out as, and then as they continue to grow, I'll let you see how they flourish. But I'm super excited for the flower pillows. I love growing them each and every year. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. If you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.